Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the ways on how can you remove Facebook account in other devices. If you want to remove Facebook account in other devices, you actually want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here's how you do it. So before you start on, make sure to update the application to the latest version, then log into your account. As logged in, what you need to do is here, click on the menu bar in the top right, go to the gear icon, and then what you have to do is here, click on accounts or center and go to this section. After you are taken to this field, you could either go ahead and change your password by tapping on password and secure. So here you want to click on password and security under account security. Then what you could actually do is on this field, you could either go ahead and change your password. First thing is that. And when you change your password, you will then be logged out from all the logged in devices. This is one way of doing it, so but you'll have to enter the current password so that you'll be able to change it. So the next thing you could do is the simple way. You could go to the same section, that is account center, and here you actually want to go to the section of password and security once again, and then you could see this security locked or security checks. Then go ahead and select the particular account. Now you can see these are all login devices. If you want to log out, click on select device to log out at the bottom. Now go ahead and simply select it just like that. Click on logout, once again confirm it so, and as you do it so, here what you have to do is enter in the verification code that will be sent to your registered email address, and as soon as you do it so, then you'll have successfully removed Facebook account in other devices. This is the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.